Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is topic as a fat to fit oibagi damakta exercise and a ma'am with damakta thumbs up near the ma'am exercise could be putting channel of you. I don't a channel subscribe and share to work over. Arm exercise meaning jogging kawe, arm exercise to warm up set when a see exercise to the any exercise to the among the warm up zamatai, warm up to the wataraga the aquagi muscle amasung joint pain the tungna anaba lakani adu the magta warm up jam the compulsory any warm up to the wataraga the exercise. Arm perform to joint pain so then to the workani adu the magta hoist is a warm up when 20 to 30 second ma'am punama attempt down of one view. Second exercise mean burpees kawe. Ma'am burpees Fatlose when but the young canon but exercise near the mountain burpees program punum the 8,000 ma'am see exercise 20 and 30 rest attempt to aduga aquina exercise to matan the from almost technique to matam pum chumana bona view adudi from almost technique chum the taraga the aquina to exercise kana fango adi the ma'am from almost technique say matam pum chum the hona view aduga speed tap tam tarago so the matanga increase to yagani ma'am see exercise 20 and 30 rest to hona view. Third exercise meaning cross country run kawe. The exercise the full body involved or in the matauta. The kutsu kongsu upper body lower body punama involved or a fat loss the young kana the exercise near the man. See exercise the thus form almost technique jumalaga speed increase when view. The exercise the high intensity workout in a tamata taraga the the young parley the makta increase hang view aduga a from technique to man view. The man see exercise tolding the videos hanamang yang view aduga matung tabada exercise perform to one view or say exercise 20 to 30 second not reps attempt of view. Fourth exercise mean butt kicker kawe. Butt kicker se akoi haksang puno the involve of exercise ne the amount of fat loss matan su yam kana exercise ni ma'am se exercise se ahamba slowly to view matang magi speed tab to increase to yagani ara ma'am se exercise to matan da akoi ki core matam tight tam the core tight thom taraga the akoi ki core strength hengalakani adi the matam puno exercise to matam da core tight tham view ma'am se exercise 20 and 30 second down of one view. Last exercise meaning jumping lunges kawe. See exercise lunges ke type 2 exercise ni or see exercise fat loss matam de yamna effective web exercise ni am see exercise to matam da khoi gi haksang puna involve oyo khut su swing to le kono adu da makta ma'am aina ngasi see exercise last tham jabani adu see exercise is warm up when da adu stretching oina bai da makta last tham jabani adu workout to wall stretching yam takta stretching to da taraga de khoi haksang da tung da kono future da khoi gi muscle amasung joint da yam problem lakani adama ang si matang solution jerge my channel subscribe to you please support to you and share to